Ciao Tesla people. Finally, after a week of rain, I can do a road trip, and we are going to Greve In Chianti to get some pastry, some nice weather, hopefully, and a nice ride, probably a walk around the museums and churches. There should be some museum open too. And I will do a charge too, to an AC charge, so I can park the car without worry. And that's it. So I'll do a time lapse of the road, and I'll see you there in Greve In Chianti.
Ho perso molto quando eravamo piccolini. E questi sono i cesti, sono belli questi cesti, ma noi c'è i cesti, ce l'abbiamo qua sul molo. Devo mettere una padella, io devo dire. C'è un sacco di roba qua. Ma ecco la pasticceria, guarda.
Lo strudel.
Il strudel, quello guarda, è una bellezza, no? Ma qua guarda, quelli in alto sono belli. Simulano il gelato. E questo è tutto di legno. Vedi se c'è sta qualcosa là. No, questo no, perché si possono rompere.
So, I am in Greve In Chianti, And down there, there's the square, right there, big square, and that's the statue of Verrazzano. And the weather is great. Took a cappuccino and a pastry. I could not charge because the stall was busy with two cars, were a BMW and an Audi, and so I had to park somewhere else. It's okay, maybe later I can park. And that's it for now. Probably I'm going to do a ride around Greve to check it out, other small towns and stuff, and I'll see you in a bit. So I am in Lamole, which is a very small town near Greve, right in the Chianti region. Beautiful ride up to the hills, and we are basically on top of the hill, the mountain, and it's beautiful. There is a very small church, and very cool, and there is the old view of the valley down there. I'm going to take some photos there, and there is this small restaurants and this small town. Pretty cool. Never been here before. The road to come here, I'm going to show you in the time lapse. It's pretty winding road and very small, so, but very cool. The weather is great, temperature is great, so very nice road trip. So this is the church, very cool, and this is the view. So Greve In Chianti is down there, that side, and these are the hills around. There's some woods, and then all the other fields down here, they are all vineyards of the Chianti wine. We are in the Gallo Nero Chianti region, so it's the best wine of Chianti. Very, very nice. So, just got back home. The road trip to Chianti was great. We went to Lamole, which is a small, very, very small town, top of the hills, close to Greve In Chianti. Was a great view, you know, all the vineyards and olive trees. And that's the Gallo Nero, the Chianti Gallo Nero vineyards, which is probably the best wine in Italy, at least on my opinion. Anyway, it was a great road trip. So I'm going to leave my Tesla referral in the description and all the links about the accessories that I install on my Tesla. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, will help me a lot. And share it and turn on notifications if you're already subscribing. And I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.